Oh, welcome back, my friends. Oh, I'm so excited about this one. Honey choc muffins. I'm excited about it because yesterday I did honey chicken. And I used this new honey, this Corunda honey. And oh, the chicken was amazing, mate. So, I'm really excited to do these honey muffins today with you. Alright, so first of all, preheat your oven 200 degrees Celsius. Get your 6-hole Texas muffin. Butter, flour, bang it out, ready to go. Alright, then you need your dry ingredients. I'll put the recipe below as always. So you've got self-raising flour, sugar and baking powder. And you just give them a quick mix in. And then chuck that aside for a second. And then you want to get a smaller bowl and you want to whisk in 2 eggs. 1 cup of milk. You want to melt 30 grams of butter into a saucepan on low heat. And then, oh, alright. This Corunda honey that I've been using, this is the blue gum one. And it's a runny honey. And I can tell you right now, it is absolutely amazing in recipes, in cooking. It's brilliant. I've got my eye on, they've got a Mallee one I've got my eye on, because I can picture that Mallee one in honey smoked barbecue stuff in summer. So yeah, go onto Facebook and have a look. They've got some awesome honeys there. I can only say from experience that the blue gum one is amazing. Okay, and my favourite ingredient, 1/4 cup of runny honey. Oh, baby. So yeah, I put it in with a spoon this time and put it into the measuring cup. A lot cleaner, peoples. A lot cleaner. And a lot less wasteful. Alright, so once you've mixed all that in, just gotta get a spoon and get the honey out properly. Because that works. Alright, so once you've mixed your wet ingredients together, it's a really simple one again, folks. Gee, by the time I finish here, you'll be able to open up a muffin shop. Okay, flour back. Pour in your wet ingredients. Sorry, probably in your way as usual. Alright, mix them in. You only want to mix them so they're just all mixed in. You don't want to beat the crap out of it for a muffin. Oh, I can't tell you how nice these are. This is my granddaughter's favourite, this one. Alright, I'll be back later on today with a really cool honey cough syrup recipe. Awesome for this time of year. Alright, now you want to get 250 grams of CHOC chips. So today I've got the black and gold ones. I gave these a go a little while ago because I've always seen them there. They're only $1.50 a pack compared to $5 for the ones I always get. And I gave them a go anyway in some the brownie cookies that I make. And they're freaking amazing for $1.50. So go there, give it a go. Alright, so you want to put like 3/4 in. And you just want to like hold the bottom and leave like some in the bottom so we can sprinkle them all over the top. Oh yeah, fold that in. Alright, and then we are done. Get your muffin tray. Get out a couple of big spoons and fill them up. Get them on there, as many as you can. Oh yeah. Alright, in the oven for, I think it was 20 minutes. 20 to 25, all ovens are different. So, I'll let you know in a second anyway what it was. They took 18 minutes, my friends. Oh, it smells so good in here. Oh, I love baking. Alright, so 18 minutes, I turned the oven off. I opened the door and I left them in there for 5 minutes to cool down a bit slower. And then I've put them up here and I've left them here for 5 minutes, alright? So, oh, it's still hot. Careful with these because they're full of honey. Oh, I probably could have done a bit more even, but you get that. Up as high as you can. Let them fall out. Look at this. Oh, you can smell the honey. You can smell the chocolate. Oh my gosh, these are amazing. I reckon these probably would have cost about 70 cents each to make. Not bad. Oh yeah. Turn it around. Lift it up. Oh. Oh, they smell beautiful. You just can't tell on camera how big these things are. Oh my gosh, mate. Couldn't be more stoked with that. Well, you know what we're going to do now? We're going to come on open. Give it a crack. Oh, they're so soft and heavy and honey and oh. You ready for this? Oh my gosh. Oh, look at this. See that? Just how soft and beautiful they are. Oh. Honey choc muffins, my friends. Thank you so much for watching. And you have yourselves an awesome day. Bye.